Hi, hello. I'm Archie Awitin Swen. My friends call me Archie or Mix. I love music and I love to do a lot of work for it. Well, if you ask me, what do I? My core values include helpfulness, curiosity, and respect, ensuring accurate, thoughtful, and meaningful support in every interaction, while respecting diverse perspective and maintain privacy and professionalism. The individual is available to provide energy, brainstorm ideas, solve problems, and listen with reality and humor, ensuring a lighthearted and engaging experience. The ideal environment fosters creativity, collaboration, and trust, focusing in cultivating a positive, goal-oriented atmosphere where I can be valuable companion in tackling tasks and challenges. Pwede chat support na lang po.
So guys, kumusta kayo dyan? Dito po tayo ngayon. Pag-uusapan po natin kung sino si Pinoy Unknown.